Welcome to our lecture online. Now let's talk about a very important topic when we're dealing with lines on the XY coordinate system, the concept of the slope of a line. So what do we mean by the slope of a line? Another word might be steepness of a line. But again, that doesn't really mean anything unless we really understand the concept of the slope of a line. So let's read the definition. The slope of a line is the ratio of the change in the y value, called the rise, to the change in the x value, called the run, when moving from one point on the line to another point on the line situated to the right of the first point. So here we have an example. In general, we have an xy coordinate system. We have the first point called point 1 with coordinates x1, y1, and we have a second point to the right of the first point. Let's call it point 2 with coordinates x2, y2. So the slope of the line is the change in the y value to the change in the x value as we move from one point to another point to the right of the first point. Let's illustrate that a little bit better. So first of all, let's draw a line from point 1 straight down to the x-axis. So this is the x1 value of our first point. And let's draw a horizontal line from that point to the y-axis, and this would be the y1. We can do the same for the second point. Let's draw a line straight down, and that would be x2, and let's draw a line straight across, and this would be y2. So notice when I go from the first point to the second point, my x value changes from x1 to x2. That's this distance right here, and we can define that distance by saying x2 minus x1. That is the change in x by moving from this point to this point. I can say here that this is the change in y from going from y1 to y2, so the change in y would be y2 minus y1. So this is defined as the change in x, and this is defined as the change in y when I go from point 1 to point 2. To make this simple, I can also write this as a delta x. This is the mathematical symbol for saying change in x. So this means the change in x. And I can say this is being equal to delta y, which is defined as the change in y. So now, by definition, the slope, and we can also use the letter m for slope because the slope-intercept form of the linear equation can be written as y is equal to mx plus b. So we're looking for this value right there. We're looking for the slope, the value in front of the x coordinate when we write it in the slope-intercept form. So the slope, which is equal to m, which is equal to the change in y divided by the change in x. That's the ratio that defines the slope. So in this case, the change in y would be y2 minus y1, and the change in x would be x2 minus x1. And that is how we define the slope of a line. Now notice that if the line is steeper, the change in y will be bigger versus the change in x. So that ratio will be bigger when the line is steeper, and the ratio will be smaller when the line is not as steep. And we'll talk about that in some more videos. Let me show you an example of how to calculate the slope. So we can say here that the slope, by definition, we could use the letter m, which is equal to the change in y over the change in x, which is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And so y2, this is my second point, so this would be actually let's write this as point 2, that would be better. So point 2, which is equal to x2 y2, which is equal to, that would be x2 would be 6 and y2 would be 4. That would be the point 6 and 4. And here point 1, which is x1, y1, which can be defined as 2 and 2. 2 and 2. So when I try to find the change in y, well, that would be 4 minus 2. And I divide that by the change in x, which is 6 minus 2. So that would be equal to 4 minus 2, which is 2, 6 minus 2, which is 4, which is equal to 1/2. And so there, in this example, the slope is 1/2. What does that mean? That the change in y would be 1 versus the change in x being 2. So it rises 1 as I run to, and that's typically how we want to say it. So that's why we call the change in the y value the rise, and the change in the x value the run. Essentially, the slope is the ratio of the rise over the run. So the slope can be defined as being the ratio of the rise over the run, which means how much does the y value change, how much does the x value change when I go from one point on the line to another point on the line. So the rise is the change in the y value, which is 2. It goes from 2 to 4. So in this case, that would be 4 minus 2. And the change in the run, I go from 2 to 6. That would be 6 minus 2. So essentially, the rise over the run would be 2 over 4, or 1/2. I rise 1 unit when I run 2 units. I go up 1 when I go to the right 2 on this particular line. Of course, for a steeper line, the rise will be bigger relative to the run. On a not so steep line, the rise will be smaller relative to the run. And that is how the slope is defined in algebra.